Good people, I'm back with another video, and I was not joking about collecting Air Max 95s. So from the description or the video, the title, whatever, the picture, you can already tell what it is, so I don't need to talk too much. But make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. We need to get 2,000 subscribers as soon as possible. Let's do this. So it's from Nike.com. As you can see, Nike.com, they are doing this move to zero, so sustainability, recycled boxes, whatever. Pull for sport, sometimes it says pull for freshness, the best bit. Yes. Now I hope they don't stick the shipping label here. Yes, they haven't. Nike Air Max 95 Essential White Grey Fog, UK 10, US 11, 29 centimeters, all that good stuff. I don't know why it says grey fog, or actually I might know, but these are actually triple white. Yes, triple white Air Max 95. This is literally the only grey bit, this bit and this bit. So it's a triple white. It looks kind of creamish. I do have another pair of these. I have these, are actually a bit different, so the material here is a bit different, and this is not on the other pair. This material is different as well. That's not on the other pair. The other pair is full leather all the way to the top. That's actually very strange. So maybe they are a bit different. Yeah. It's got the same little cotton material there, and then that's a nice material on the heel tab. All around leather. Yeah, these are different because this on my other pair is reflective, but it's okay. All whites are all whites. Yeah, so this is another trainer for the summer. Very comfortable. Way better than buying Air Force Ones, white Air Force Ones, because those you wear 2-3 times and they mess up. These you can literally, no joke, wear every single day of the summer and they will still be good condition. So just keep them clean. The mesh doesn't really get that dirty. My other pair is kind of yellowing, so that's why I bought this pair, but those I've used for literally a year. A very clean shoe. So it's leather, but this is a bit different leather to the other one, so it's like, I don't know. I don't know how I feel about this. Toe box doesn't crease like Air Force Ones, so you know, you can bend them, it won't really crease like Air Force Ones really crease, or at least I hope not. So you know, obviously when you step they will bend, but they won't show a visible crease. On the inside it's got Nike Air logo, and then again the size tag. So these are quite different to the other one. I actually should just compare them in another video. So there's the inside label. And yeah, one thing I have to say, I hate these that come with trainers. They always go in the bin for me. I really do not like them. But yeah, this is just one of many pairs of Air Max 95s. As I said in the video before, I will be buying much more. It will be a collection, and as always, on foot videos will follow. And yeah, make sure to like, comment, share, subscribe, and keep watching all the videos, and check out the other videos of these.